localhost php myadmin. So this is the database. This is a table. Just now we have inserted some data. So I click here. You see, it has inserted. I did not give an ID. I did not give the add-on, but it takes the current time. You see this? Current time. And look at the password. This password was Sagar and this password was Rajesh. But you see, nobody now knows what your password is because it's encrypted. Even nobody can, this can be hacked, but still it takes a lot of time to hack such kind of passwords. So yeah, you guys know now how to insert. So let's write the query again. Remember, I'll just repeat it. This is how you have to remember. Insert, you are inserting the data. Where? Into. Insert into. You have to write your table name. The first bracket always will have the values, column names in which you want to insert. So this will have column name. At least one column name. You have to give at least one column name. Okay. Then next is values. What are the values you want to use? If it's an integer, don't give as in quotes. If it's a string, give in quotes. If it's a date, give in quotes. Okay. So values is nothing but value 1, value 2. If you want another set, again value 1, value 2. Alright. Any questions here? This is insert. Any questions here? Yes? Oh, you want me to repeat about MD5? How to use this? Okay, let's do a program. Not program. Okay, I'll just explain why we need a program. So MD5 is a PHP string function used to encrypt strings. That's it. So you give like this. Try this. $string equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the most of the passwords people give. Do you know that? This is the most famous password. 1 2 3 4 5 6. All over the world. Nothing can beat this password in popularity. Alright. $encrypted string equal to MD5 of $string. So this is encrypted. That's it. Now we just have done this. Alright? Yes? This is a PHP function and Mysql supports it too. Mysql also has an MD5 which does the same thing. Okay? Now let's try to insert data using PHP myadmin. You can do in two ways. Click on SQL, you write a query here. So let's write the query again. Insert into users email password values. Now this time Ankush@tutoslive.com and the password. Okay, what happens if you don't give MD5? I'll show you. So now let's give the popular password of the world. So I'll say go. It's inserted. Now let's see. You see, this is the problem. Always remember, encrypt your passwords. Even if you are doing for a development, make it a practice to encrypt your passwords. Okay, so that is one way. So the other way is here. Don't give an ID, just let's say Rajani @tutoslive.com, and password. You see here, these are the PHP MySQL functions. These are all MySQL functions. Okay, you can apply anything there. So I'll apply MD5. MD5. I'll say, I'll give the most popular password again, 1234566, and I'll say go. It got inserted. See here, as it is. Here it is. Now, does anybody know is is this 12345? Nobody knows what it is. Even I cannot decrypt to. There is no reverse function to decrypt this. We won't be knowing it. So always remember to encrypt your passwords. And look at it. I have never given an ID there while inserting, and I did not give add on to any time. But they come automatic. So since we have given this as a primary key and auto increment, as soon as you insert a record, okay, the ID will be that. Now let's insert one more record.